As I creep to a different tempo, my whole fucking nation know that I'm a nympho. Never give up info, cause that ain't my stilo. Coach Brown, you know I got 100 on the weed smoke. So what you talking about, nigga? I be talking loud, I be running my mouth. I'm in and I'm out. I ain't never gonna change, cause you know I'm about making big money and smoking into his hella clouds. Everything look like it's about to rain. Coach Brown, the same color as paint. Bitches know my name, I can't quit, I can't change. I've been in this rap thing since I had a little ding-a-ling. About 2 or 3 niggas know it's me, Coach Brown on the microphone, cause I'm a hard MC. Ain't none of y'all fucking with me, so don't even try. Cause I'm hotter than the month of July. I'm super duper fly in my suit and my tie. Nigga is sold and cracking, and look how high I can get. Niggas know I'm on that modern shit. I ain't never gonna quit, cause I'm 100%. Plus I'm legit. I spit a freestyle fanatic on you fucking faggots, and my hat's on backwards. Me, my cousin Patrick, and yes, we keep on moving. It's Coach Brown and I make all that good music. Look how I do it. Yes, I got the realest spit. Chillin' with the realest click. Chillin' with the dopest chicks. You ain't never really fucking with this. I'm hustling and I ain't got no trust in men, so fuck it then. Nigga, I'm moving quick and buckled in. I ain't trying to crash and die like my friends did. Damn, man, rest in peace to my friends now. I am an MC and I'm in this. Handling my business like I'm supposed to. Ripping on these niggas in the new and the old school. Nigga, you can't hold who. Do you think it is? It's Coach Brown. I'ma show you how to get it in. Showbiz focused in, Coast is definite. Yes, I am prominent, dominant up in this bitch. I rip a freestyle and really don't give a shit. Ain't none of y'all really fucking with this lunatic. Look how I do this shit, ripping with a realest spit. Coach Brown, yes, hat back is the realest. Quick, click, damn dog, look how it is. I spit that dominant, prominent, yes, I'm in this shit. Never will I forget, never will I forget. Never in my life am I the type to try to quit. I hustle in until I can't fuck it then, nigga. I don't give a fuck, so I'm about to bust it in, cause I am a true freestyling man. Do what I fucking do and everything that I can. When I'm rapping on the mic and the mic is up in my hand. Me and Tom Slick at Perlamos like, damn, we gon' get it in, yes we gon' get it in. I've been living my life good, the other half was sin. Sipping on some motherfucking things or some gin. Got me feeling good, nigga, look at how we end. Look at how we blend, no time to pretend, cause I am that man, yes I am that man. So much action, so much satisfaction. Days in the game and I'm ready to keep it cracking. Yes, yes, keep fucking asking. Niggas ain't never seen a spit from a black man that spit like this without a fucking stipend. Nigga, I'm hype, but no, I'm not the hype man.